In modern society, it has become easier and easier to start your own online business. You may have thought to yourself before, what if I quit my 9-to-5 and can make $150,000 a month dropshipping some weird ab workout tool? Unfortunately, it is not nearly as easy as many online creators make it out to seem. A lot of the time, these creators are teaching you business models that simply are not going to work for you, but not for the reasons you may think. Today in this video, we are going to be talking about 4 business models that are a perfect fit for beginners. I need you guys to make sure that you watch to the end of the video to ensure you pick a business that truly fits you and your skill set. If you have ever tried to start your own online business, I'm sure you have experienced firsthand it is not nearly as easy as many people on YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms make it seem. Oftentimes, I will find myself watching a YouTube video where the creator makes any given business model seem way too good to be true. Then thousands of people will watch these videos and try to give the business a try for themselves and fail. Does this mean they are teaching you a fake business model that simply does not work? The answer? No. The reason people fail when starting these businesses is because they are simply not ready or experienced enough to start that specific business model. Not all business models are created equal, and it is very important that if you're starting your own business, that you choose a beginner-friendly business, or you might see little to no success. With that being said, let's get into the first beginner business model that you can start in 2023 or right now. The first business we are going to be talking about today is a YouTube business, but not just any YouTube channel. It is important that you have an automated YouTube channel where it is going to be much harder to see results. Not impossible. I'm not saying you can't do it yourself. What I mean by this is everything you can afford to outsource and it will result in an improvement in your videos. Don't even think twice and do it. For example, you can come up with a good video idea and film it, but then hire a video and thumbnail editor to do the rest for you. Here's a little quick plug for you guys. If you're looking for a cheap freelance video editor, I suggest visiting our site worldwavemedia.com and booking an appointment. We will connect you with a professional editor, and our pricing for work like this is often cheaper than the amount of time many of you are wasting trying to do it yourself. That being said, if you cannot afford to pay for professional video editing, by all means, do the work yourself. What outsourcing this work is going to do for you is it's going to allow you to focus on what really matters on your channel, which is creating high quality videos on the correct subject. It is really important you create videos on the right subject because no matter how much you try and how much effort you put into a good video, if it's on the wrong subject or a very competitive topic, it might be really hard for you to get views competing against channels with $1 million budgets. Another advantage that automating your YouTube channel is going to give you is it will allow you to publish videos much quicker than if you had to do all the work yourself. Quality is always going to be more important than quantity, but if you are losing too much time to parts of your channel that realistically can be done better by freelancers, you may struggle to upload consistently. This business will take a small investment to get started if you are going to automate it, but if you stay the route, you will see the return in masses in the future. Our next beginner business idea is starting an email marketing business. If you are not familiar with email marketing, it is very simple. You will be collecting people's emails into a list, and then you will send out products, services, and anything else you could possibly want to sell to that email list. If you want to make this process even easier for yourself, you can sell affiliate products and make a commission selling other people's products. This way, all you have to focus on is growing your email list. There are many ways to get people onto your email list, but one of the easiest way is to have a free resource that you offer that requires them to sign up to your email list. Then you can promote this resource on TikTok and other social platforms for free and gain subscribers to your list. Think about this. Say you have 1,000 people on your email list and you market them a product that is $100. Even if there are only 800 people that open your email and only 20 of those people click through to the sales page, and then only 2 of those 20 result in a sale, You have just made $200 sending emails, marketing services you don't even have to own. If you rinse and repeat this process, you can scale to a few $1,000s per month relatively easily. It's a simple business plan. The driving factor to you succeeding is not the plan, but your own ability to gain subscribers and convert those subscribers to sales. Before we get into our third business, I ask that you please drop a like on this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm more than you might think, and it will help us continue to make videos like the one you are watching right now. Our third business idea for this video is affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you earn a commission when you promote someone else's product. You can do this with information products like ebooks, video series, and membership sites, as well as physical products. You can earn up to a 50% commission in sales, and there are relatively low barriers to entry. This is why it's one of the best businesses you can start as a beginner. One critical aspect people often get wrong with affiliate marketing, however, is doing the exact same thing every other person in the industry does. Especially with TikTok and the widespread growth of business online, there are thousands of people competing with each other to promote the same products. What this means for you is you need to stand out. You need to go above and beyond the rest and become the most competitive player in your niche. One of the best ways you can do this is by actually physically ordering the product yourself and creating custom ads for the product. This makes you stand out from the rest because the majority of affiliate marketers are just copy-pasting the same product photos and videos that the company provides them with. You need to stand out. Our fourth and final business idea for this video is going to sound boring at first, but I promise you it can be one of the most profitable businesses on this list. And that is starting a blog. Even if you don't consider yourself a tech whiz, you can start a blog with little to no website design experience. If you know how to monetize it, you can build your blog into a quite lucrative source of income. That doesn't mean you can build a blog and expect money to come in overnight. You must create content consistently and develop a way to sell something through the blog, whether it be sponsored posts, coaching services, ad space through networks like Google AdSense, or affiliate products. To start a blog, all you need is web hosting and a domain. Pretty simple. In today's technology-obsessed culture, almost every time someone has a question, they immediately go to Google for the answer. If you can learn how to use search engine optimization, otherwise referred to as SEO, to your advantage, you can be the one to provide the people with the information they are looking for, and you can collect a hefty bag while doing so. If you want to learn more about how to start a blog, I recommend you watch Income School. They work really hard to provide their viewers with the very best up-to-date information on the blogging space. That's going to wrap up this video about 4 of the best businesses you can start as a beginner. Make sure you guys remember, these businesses are not free tickets to success. You guys are going to need to work consistently hard to master your craft no matter what business you dive into. If you want to learn the one secret all successful people used to become the people they are today, make sure you watch the video on the screen and drop a like on this video. It helps our channel out a ton. If you decide to start one of these businesses, I wish you the best of luck. Have a great day.